Hi, welcome to tip number 11. Now, it's possible to hob a worm wheel on the lathe using just a regular tap. Now, I did this on the recent mini rotary table build that I did. I'm still editing the video, but some idiot had an idea about making an advent calendar. Now, the only other thing you need is some sort of arbor to hold it. So I just got a piece of steel, which fits in my tool post, tapped a hole, and then used a bolt and a bushing to hold the material. Hopefully there's some footage of the rotary table being hobbed. The way it works is that because the tap has a lead on it, as the material's free to rotate, it follows the tap round. The important thing to do, though, is to calculate your diameter such that you get a complete number of threads, because otherwise you'll end up with a funny, either a gap or double point or something. But usually that can be adjusted just by winding in a little further. So obviously always try and go for oversize, and then it's a lot easier to make something smaller on the lathe than it is bigger. So there we are, using a tap as a free hobbing hob.